Hello YouTube. Now I just thought to make another group test my old canister vacuum cleaners. So just quickly, Volta from the late 80s, looks from the early 90s with 80s style powerhead. AEG bumper from the early 90s and oldest Philips P74 from the mid 80s. So, and Philips has its own straight suction nozzle. AEG has twinner, Lux has its own powerhead, and Volta has its own, Lux's straight suction nozzle. So, nozzle will also be big part of this. What nozzles I mean these uses is big part of this result what we are getting. Now suction wise, Lux is the most powerful, then comes Philips and very close behind AEG and Volta. So sawdust same amount for each one of these, and then we are going to watch how good job they did. So let's put down the sawdust. Okay, let's begin the test. And we start with the volt. Okay, now each one has done their job, and I had trouble with static electricity, and that's why you just saw me vacuuming the twinner nozzle, and the twinner had a problem because it's so low and sawdust just climbed over the nozzle, and Phillips was lifting the carpet up very much and sticking to it, so it was really hard to move. Now we have to find out how this compare. Okay, I moved the canisters so they are not in the way, and I am using that cheap Valve brand vacuum to pick up everything what they left behind, and they left a lot behind. So this is not any scientific test, but there are differences. Okay, now sort of the results. And yes, there are differences. Now obviously only powerhead vacuum did win this with a big difference. Looks royal. These others are a bit more tricky, but let's check this way. Okay, that winner did quite good. for straight suction, but wasn't nice to use, and Philips did the worst. I think this nozzle is very bad. It just seems to suck from the suction, just seems to work from the center. It really doesn't do much from the sides, and it was sticking to the carpet like crazy, so suction isn't problem. So Philips was last. And these are quite even, these AEG and volt. Let's watch this way. Okay. Not so even than I thought. AEG was better. So order best looks with powerhead, looks powerhead, then AEG with the twinner, then Volta with the looks straight suction nozzle, and last but not least Philips with second best suction, but it's not enough if you have bad nozzle. It came last. And one thing what I have to say about this cheap valve brand upright is that I really much enjoy that. I really like that. It seems to work nicely on this carpet. But that's another thing. Now, what's your favorite of these canister vacuums from the past? I didn't bring Electrolux Ultra Flex to this test because it's new, and this was for the old vacuum cleaners, canister vacuum cleaners. So again a group test, and now I just have to clean everything, and it's goodbye, and thank you for watching.